Hey everybody. So this is going to be a very random video. Because it's a unboxing or unbagging video. Advocacy Alec on TikTok, a good friend of mine, sent me a gag gift that he said he would send to me, but it was on the condition that I had to wear it, I think, question mark, on camera. So I decided to make it full video because why not? Um, it is actually open, but it's only open because my wife mistakenly thought it was for her and opened it when I wasn't home. So I don't know what's in it, but it is actually open. So here we go. Oh my god. Photo booth prop. Photo booth prop. Okay, well, I guess let's hear what we have. One way to open a bag. Um, the question becomes, how do you hold more than one at a time? So, for those that don't know, here in Alberta, in July, there is in Calgary what is called the Calgary Stampede. And basically, it trying to make the rodeo capitalistic, I guess. But it's where people go and, um, you know, pretend that Calgary, a big city, is the wild, wild west. um, and pay $4 for pop. Is this what you wanted? I didn't ask you a question. Howdy, partner. Howdy. If I can actually make this work. Oh no, I didn't. How did? Maybe it can just be like a disguise. Like, 1 minute I'm wearing glasses, the next I have a mustache. Glasses, mustache, glasses, mustache. But, what if I switched it? What if I wore glasses on my mouth and mustache on my eye? Mustache on my eye. Would that work? Ah ha ha ha. Mustache. It's a mustache. I'm mustached by the mustache. I have a bucket beard. I have a bucket beard. And then we, of course, cannot forget the cowboy hat. Yeehaw! Ladies and gentlemen, this is officially the dumbest video that I've ever made. But, you know, if you're still watching, thank you. This is very cool. And, Bandana. Bandana. So, anyway, just want to say to Advocacy Alex, thank you very much. Um, Thank you for making me do that on camera because I'm sure that I will never live that down. And by the way, you bet I'm going to be bringing this stuff to Calgary for a certain event that we're doing, and it will get reused. So there's that. Anyway, thank you for watching. Go follow Advocacy Alec on TikTok. And yeah, I will see you in the next video if I have any subscribers left after this video. So thank you, Alec. It was great while it lasted. Anyway, if you somehow enjoyed this video, please subscribe, leave a comment, leave a like, and yeah, see you in the next video. Oh, I missed one. Oh, the sheriff. That's the most important one. The sheriff. Sheriff. Does that mean that does that mean that I can enforce anti-ableist laws? So like, you know, no discriminating against people with disabilities ever in my town. And now this wand. The sheriff badge just becomes a wand. Abracadabra, bibbly boop. I put my spell on you. And I thank you for watching this video. And I bid you adieu. Goodbye, farewell, until next time. I'll see you.